What's good, you guys? It's your girl Leo FX, and I'm back with another banger. Guys, I'm recording this video and it's midnight, so that's why I'm whispering. So guys, I just want to give you guys a trade recap of how I actually caught that big sell on Nasdaq, right? Remember, I've been waiting for the sell to happen, but we just didn't know when it was going to happen, right? So this entire move here, it wasn't there, right? That's the move that I've been waiting for. So let's just pretend as if that entire move wasn't there. Okay, so I started on the daily time frame, and then I saw that we're actually in a downtrend, right? Like I've been saying. So we only had the first touch and the second touch of the trend line. It's crazy how the setup was it is like very straightforward, very simple, you know. So I saw that we have this downtrend, and then on the 4-hour time frame, this is what I had. It's just a PT that I didn't even screenshot. For the first time ever, I didn't take any screenshot. I don't know how, but it happened, right? So this was the zone that I had. And let me just adjust this trend line because it wasn't like this. It was something wrong. Yeah, it was something like this. So as you guys can see, even on the 4-hour time frame, the setup was very clean, very clean. So we had this touch here in the zone with another touch, we had this touch, we had this touch, and I was waiting for price to come back and give me a touch here. Not only that, but also at that touch of the trend line. So that was just one of the confirmations, right? But remember, it's not as black and white as it seems. There's also a lot of things that there's also a lot of confluences that I also add, but I'm not gonna talk about them here because that's just exclusive only to my students. So moving down to the 1 hour, because I literally took my entry on the 1 hour time frame, right? So when I saw that price was coming close to my area of interest, I think it was around here, and then I just set my limit order. I set my sell limit order right on the trend line and the zone, just like that. And then my stop loss was around here, I think. Yeah. And then I was also targeting this little bit here that you guys can see. So I was planning on swing trading this entire move. As you guys know that I'm actually a swing trader, right? I hold trades for like more than a day. So yeah. So as you guys can see, I backed like 1:7, and that is so insane. I'll just post a clip of my trades right here so that you guys can see. And as the market continued moving to the downside, I kept on scaling in. I scaled in here, and then it sold. Came back here, I scaled in. If you don't know what scaling in is it's just basically me adding more trades, right? And then yeah, I think I also recorded this part when I was busy scaling in. And then once it came here, I think I didn't record all this thing. I don't know what happened, but I didn't record it. I think I was just caught in the moment as well. So yeah guys, that's how I got this trade on Nasdaq. And yeah, I'm still looking forward to milking Nasdaq again. I still need to milk Nasdaq, you guys. So just take this as the entry or a setup idea, because I'm still expecting it to continue selling, like I told you guys, all the way to, let's go to the weekly, all the way to this monthly, all the way to this monthly level that wasn't retested yet. And I've been talking about this level, so I'm expecting a real drop on Nasdaq, you guys. Don't say I didn't tell you, or don't say I did not tell you, because once we start making money, you'll start crying now. Now I'm giving you an idea, a trade idea, So what you have to do is to pay close attention to your chart and add whatever confluences that you add. But this is the strategy that I use, and it's very much simple and straightforward. I just have many more confluences that I don't share on social media. Yeah, there's just a lot that goes into it. I can't lie about that. It's not as black and white as I show it to you guys here. There's a lot that goes into it. So yeah, this is how I made 15k from this one trade using proper risk management. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment, and also click the link in my description box to join my community. Don't forget to trade with the trusted broker. The link is also in the description box, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.